5 missed opportunities you didn't even know that you're missing out on. How many thousands of dollars in commissions and leads are you missing out on from your open house yard sign? Well, today we want to show you how you can maximize this strategy and not have to buy a brand new open house sign for every single one of your listings. So, my name is Junkies III, CEO and co-founder of Liftoff Agent, your #1 marketing and positioning agency. And we have new videos like this coming out every Tuesdays and Thursdays. And we deal and help with agents just like yourself that are going through the same situation, that want to be creative and want to be able to have different ways to maximize their open houses, their yard sign, with what we'll talk about in today's video to capture more leads and more commission. Number 1, QR code. If you have a QR code that's going to be on your sign at the open house and the yard sign specifically, that QR code can go to a dynamic landing page, and that dynamic landing page can help you be able to maximize those individuals that are driving by the listing, and then when they scan the QR code or make a phone call, they're not getting anything. They just get to your website. Maybe you should take them to a dynamic landing page for point number 2, because you could feature the listing and also feature the area from that QR code, not just your website. I've scanned QR codes in the past and it went directly to just your general website. But what if you bring them to an actual specific formal landing page that promotes that actual listing? Talk about the listing, talk about the restaurants, talk about the places that are in proximity of the home, because maybe they don't want that home, but they want another one in the same community or say neighborhood because they love the actual area specifically. Number 3, why don't you do an intro video of the property and also the area itself? So introducing yourself, introducing the property, and introducing the area. So on that dynamic landing page, you can of course have copy from text and pictures, but you can also have a video that they can watch to make this more dynamic. Number 4, why not have a free guide to capture leads? This could be a specific dynamic area guide, so they can download this guide and learn about the schools, the parks, the restaurants, the community, the crime rate, the population, the weather, all the things, especially if they're relocating from another area, to be able to get more information, because you never know who's driving by your listing, who could scan that QR code and potentially can send your listing with this dynamic landing page to someone out of state. And number 5, last but not least, let the landing page do the follow-up for you automatically, so that way you can be able to have it do the retarget marketing, capture those leads automatically, and be able to have you maximize your past efforts for your future successes. Now, in closing thoughts, as far as how are you going to do this? Are you going to have to buy a new open house sign for every one of your listings? No, you do not. There's 2 different ways you can do this. A, you can get a sticker that you can stick on every single open house sign. That could be one way to be able to maximize an open house sign. I think about this like registration. You just put a new registration sticker on for every single year. Or number 2, you can also get a magnet. So if you have a metal sign, you can get a magnet QR code that you can purchase and add this into the cost for when you basically have a listing, and make sure that this is going to be in your formal listing presentation when working with sellers, so they know exactly what to be expected, because it's going to cost you money to buy a sticker or to buy the magnet itself. So this is what I would recommend: creative solutions to maximize your listings, to maximize a creative landing page, to maximize not just the listing, but the area that you specifically serve, guides that can be downloaded for leads that you could be able to generate, and also planting that Facebook pixel, warmly.com, when someone goes to your website or that specific landing page, you could be retargeting those folks with warmly.com, and you could also be able to be capturing information like, say, first name, last name, contact information with warmly.com, and also be able to retarget when you have that Facebook pixel in your landing page. A couple side notes for you to take into consideration. So like, subscribe, notification bell. New videos come out on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Junkies III, CEO and co-founder here at Liftoff Agent. Best of luck with your next listing and your yard sign. We'll see you all on the next one.